Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to simply unwrap a 3DS model and create a very basic texture using PowerPoint. So let's start by creating a very basic model in 3ds Max. So there we are, we have a basic model. Now what we're going to do is go into the modifier list in the modify section. I'm going to press U so it skips to the unwrap.uvw section, and we're going to press that little plus button and select face. Now after we've done all that, we're going to go into the UV editor, just wait for that to load, and we're going to select the shape when in the UV editor. Now it will come up as a UV version of the model, so what we're going to do is select that whole thing. That comes up as an X on our screen. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into mapping and flatten the mapping and just press OK. Now it should come up like this. So after it's come up like this, I mean, you can spend more time on it, but just for experimental purposes I'm just going to do it like this. So now what we want to do is go into Tools, Render UVW Template, and then click Render UVW Template. Let's have a look at that. Now that hasn't rendered properly yet, but when we save it, it will. So I'm just going to save it to the desktop, call it Rendered UVW Template. You don't have to save it to the desktop, and we're going to create it, make it into a JPEG file, just so it's easy to export into PowerPoint. I'm just going to click out of these, and minimize 3ds Max. Don't click out of it because you're going to need it later. So now we're going to go into PowerPoint. And insert picture, desktop, render UV template. Now what we're going to do, it depends what you want to pull over this. Obviously it's not going to be great for texturing, but for this video I am just going to be writing over. So let's just make it up there. We're going to do test and just make that text a tiny bit bigger. Make it 80. Space it out tiny bit. Oops. Just make sure that's in the center. So I'm going to use 20. Make sure it's in the center. Doesn't quite look the center. Oh well. And then we're going to make sure it comes up right by tilting the image underneath. Now we're going to group that and save as picture as a JPEG file as well, and we're just going to save that in the exact same name as the previous folder. There we are. And then it will say it's already created a folder with that name. Do you want to overwrite it? Now you do want to overwrite it, so we'll save that. Click out of PowerPoint now, you won't need to keep it up. Open up 3ds Max, just minimize it. Press Alt W so it comes up like this, and it'll just be easier to work with. Drag the rendered UVW template JPEG file onto the shape, and it'll come up with the test text on top of it. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's helped you. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and just keep watching my videos. Thanks everyone.